Hello my dear student. Now in the last video we will start a data types, and in that data types we are basically classify data types and variables in two parts, that is predefined and a post defined. Predefined means it is already itself defined in terms of the program, we have to directly use it, and post defined means we can use by using certain functions. We are trying to define a certain data type, that is called as a restricted data type. Now, as we know that it is possible to derive the restricted types, and the certain types of restricted types data type is called as a subtypes, that today we can see. And these subtypes that we can derive from other predefined or user defined types. It can be defined and from the other user defined types. Okay. Now, so our today's topic, this topic is the subtypes data subtype. Now, a subtype is a type with a constant. The constant specifies the subject of a value for the type. The type is called the base type of the subtype. An object is said to belong to a subtype if it is not of the base type and if it satisfies the constant. The subtype declarations are used to declare the subtype. An object can be declared to either belong to a type or to a subtype. The set of operations belonging to the subtype is the same as that associated with the base type. The subtypes are useful. For example, subtypes are useful for the range checking and for imposing the additional constraint on a type. You can use this subtype for range check, for checking the range of a base type, or it is used for to check used to associate the base type subtype. We'll see the simple examples, that the examples of subtypes is here. Here we write some example, that is subtype my underscore integer is. Now integer is in the range from 48 to 156, 48 to 156, and type digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now subtype middle is digit range 3 to 7. 3 to 7, that is subtype middle range. In this first example, my integer is a subtype of the integer. Here this my integer is a subtypes of the integer of base type. This my integer is a subtype of this base type. This integer is a base type. This is subtype and has a range constraint with the value 48 to 156. 48 to 156. The digit is the user defined enumeration type. Here we use the type digit. This type digit is a user defined enumeration. It can be defined by the user, so it is a user defined enumeration type. The last subtype declaration declared a new subtype which is called as a middle. This subtype will be again declare a new subtype which is called as a middle, whose base type is digit and has the value, whose base type is digit and has value 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because the range is given as 3 to 7. A subtype need not impose a constraint. Subtype need not to impose a constraint. In such a case, the subtype simply gives the another name to already existing type. For example, here again we will take a simple example, that subtypes Number is a digit. The number is a subtype with a no constant. Therefore, its a set of values are the same as that for the type of digit. This is simply a subtype of the basic data type. This is all about subtype. In the next, we will go to the different types of scalar type. Okay. Thank you very much.